Hey guys, what's up? Ron Parks here and welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about some of the things I learned since I started my YouTube channel that will make, hopefully, yours successful. If you're watching this, then maybe you already have a YouTube channel or are contemplating setting one up. There's a multitude of reasons that people start on YouTube. You have something you want to share with the world, you have some knowledge and expertise that people would like to learn about, you want to showcase your life, or you're not sure what you want to do, but you know you want to try. There are so many YouTube creators that it's sometimes daunting to think about how you can bypass all of the noise and get your video views. When I started the channel, I knew I needed to focus on topics and themes that are in my area of expertise. Personal finance and building wealth was my focus. And along the road, I took note of the things that worked and things that didn't work. I have some personal knowledge now of some of the things I did right and some of the things I did wrong and have corrected. I want to share those with you. If you should start a channel or you have one that is underperforming, you can take some of these actions. People come to YouTube for specific reasons. Now you need to figure out what you are good at and tell your story. So let's start with the basics. Number one, you need to get some decent equipment. You don't need to spend a boatload of money to get started, but you do need to make your first videos look professional. When I say professional, I'm talking about good sound, good lighting, and a good camera. Here are some ideas that will make your videos look great, and you won't have to spend more than $1,000 or $1,200 to get started. So I'd recommend the following two cameras. The Sony a6400 is a superb camera for video. It has 4K recording for the best quality and tons of options. It's stable, fast, versatile, and compact. An APS-C format mirrorless camera that adapts many of the features usually reserved for the full frame lineup. The camera includes an autofocus acquisition, real-time eye autofocus, and real-time tracking capabilities, an upgraded image processing engine, an LCD touchscreen that tilts 180 degrees up and 74 degrees down. Now the camera is selling for around $890 with a stock lens, so it's not the cheapest. And also, since the screen is not a fold-out and fully articulated, it will have some limitations on use. So if you're looking for a less expensive camera and also good for video, it's the Canon M50. It's not a perfect camera, but as a starting video camera, it's excellent at its price point. And some of the pros are it has improved dual pixel autofocus, polished touchscreen, excellent electronic viewfinder, easy to use, and excellent image quality. And the things that are not so good, it has a poor battery life, and the 4K video has a 1.6 times crop, so it's really almost useless to use. It's plasticky, and the lens range is still a little limited. Okay, we've talked about the camera, now let's talk about sound. You have to have adequate sound so people can hear you clearly, and that you don't sound like you're in a tunnel. I'd look at a lavalier mic such as the Rode Wireless Go for $199. It's way easy to set up, clips to your shirt, and has excellent sound. You'll come across great and sound really professional. And the third part is lighting. You'll be surprised how bad lighting will ruin your video. It will help if you strive to have your audience be comfortable seeing you in a good light. You can try a ring light, which is around $90, and will give you some great lighting on your face. And as you move forward on your videos, you can upgrade to some different lighting that will be more flexible. Okay, we've gone through the three most important things that you need: a camera, sound, and lighting. Now, number two, pick a niche and have effective content. Time does not stop, so don't go sideways with waiting until everything's perfect. It won't be perfect. So you need to get those videos up as soon as you can. So what's your niche? You can't be everything to everyone. So find a space that you feel comfortable writing scripts and conveying information. It's tough to be a generalist and be successful on YouTube. What you know is the most critical aspect of your channel. But will anyone want to listen and see you? Well, the content you provide is the first step. Successful YouTubers give their content the primary focus. It would help if you focused on rolling out effective content that people will watch and feel that they've taken something away that is either educational or entertaining or both. And if you have consistent content, then for sure you'll gain a following and subscribers will come back every time you post a new video. and go back and review all of your older videos again. Viewers only have so much time in the day, so when they're on YouTube, they're looking for new, authentic, engaging information that will give them a sense of satisfaction and feeling that they did not waste their time. Now, editing your video is really important, and if you don't know how to do video editing, that you should start with a class online at, let's say, Udemy, which will show you how to work with Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, Final Cut is more accessible for the Mac, but if you're using a PC, then I would go for Premiere Pro. And if you don't have the time to do the editing yourself, or you need to learn how to do it, you don't want to delay getting videos up and running, you can consider hiring a video editor. See if someone in the local college wants to work on your videos, as their rate should be lower and they want experience. You can also go onto Upwork and send a request for video editors to help. You'll get lots of resumes, and some from overseas like India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, which will charge somewhere between $10 and $20 an hour. Also, make sure you have a compelling thumbnail. People look at those thumbnails before they click on a video. And if you have a great one, people will take a look. Now, they need to fall in love with what you're producing. So number 3, how do you pick your niche? YouTube makes it easy to see which types of videos rank high and what kind of audience they gather. All you have to do is do a Google search for the top YouTube channels, or go onto YouTube itself and do a search, and you can get an idea of what's trending. Of course, this does not mean that you need to run with those ideas, as it is tough to get top rated if you have severe competition. My advice is to pick your niche and look at other YouTubers that are also in the space. Don't copy what others do, as you're your own personality and will bring different things to the table. But it's crucial if you can put a video together that is more professional, has better content, and has a different slant on topics that have been produced by other creators, then go for it. Make sure you do not copy what someone else is doing. The audience is looking for personality and content, and you are your own person. Just because someone is ranked high on YouTube does not mean if you duplicate what they're doing, you will also be a hit. People want to get to know you and your personality. In life, there are different strokes for different folks, and there are more than one successful YouTuber in each niche. So make it your own. Now, number 4, consistency. It's not about how many videos you post, but it's all about being consistent in posting those videos. If you post every day, but the content has little value to the audience, then you've wasted your time. It's more critical to output great content that is quality oriented, even if you can only do one a week or one a month. When you watch a great video on YouTube, you might think, oh, well, that looks so easy to do. But I can tell you it's not that easy. I have to spend days getting research on a topic, outlining my thoughts, and putting a script together that will be compelling. After the writing, I need to do the video, and in most cases, I could be doing 2 or 3 takes to get it just right. Let your audience and your subscribers know how frequently you'll be posting, so they're on the lookout for a new video. Your audience needs to be clear when to expect a video. So if you're committed to a successful channel and committed to your audience, then you need to follow up on what you promise. Okay, number 5, viewer engagement. You can put out all the content you want, but if no one comes to watch you, well, then it's a failed effort. If not for the viewers, your channel is worth nothing. Most of the successful YouTubers reciprocate the love they receive from their incredible audience by engaging with them in various ways. One of them is responding to the comments they receive on the videos that are posted. And if you can't do every comment, then do as many as you can. Engage with your audience so they get to know who you are as a person. You can eventually do some live streams when you get enough subscribers and interact with your fan base. Because interaction is quite important. Whether you ask for comments or new topics that people want to see, you want them to be engaged. And getting that engagement is one of the keys to a successful channel. Now, number 6, organize your videos. When you have enough videos up, you can organize your channel by using playlists. Playlists will help audiences find your content that they are most interested in and be a roadmap for viewers to come back and see more videos. A playlist will also let the viewer stream through all of the videos one by one and not have to go back and search for another topic you already recorded. And having videos in a playlist will also play a role in boosting the rankings in the video search. Okay, number 7, standing out from the rest of the crowd. To be watched consistently and to garner a following, you need to stand out. Be yourself and be unique. Try not to copy other YouTubers, but if you think you can do a more exciting video than another YouTuber posted, then go for it. Just be careful that you use your own words and don't plagiarize. That will help you make your mark. Number 8 is to collaborate with other YouTubers. So a good collaboration is a way to increase your views and also feed off the popularity of other participating channels. Now you can do this by choosing a YouTuber that belongs to the same niche or interest group, approach them for collaboration, and come up with a video together. Or you can reference other successful YouTube creators on your channel and on your video that's in your space and ask the other YouTuber to do the same. And number 9, channel branding. Branding is a way for the audience to make a virtual connection to your YouTube channel. Branding can give your channel more authority, will help with your recognition and growth of viewers. Have a compelling banner on your YouTube homepage. Add some information on the description of your channel, as well as information about you. And if you can't do this all yourself, hire a branding expert to help you get you started. Number 10, effective social media presence. The most successful YouTube channels also have a robust social media presence. Successful YouTubers understand how imperative social media presence is for promoting their YouTube channel. They make maximum use of social media platforms to expand their reach to the social media audiences through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can post these videos on these platforms to get more exposure. I have 5,000 contacts on LinkedIn, and I post a short clip of every video along with the text as a blog post, and I get a lot of views. So to wrap this whole thing up, if you're planning on starting your own YouTube channel, or you already have a YouTube channel but are struggling to get views or subscribers, why don't you try and incorporate the above steps for your channel and increase your chances to become a successful YouTube creator? These listed qualities are essential, and they are what most of the successful YouTubers have in common. Are you already a successful YouTuber? If you are, that's great. If not, you can be one. So that's a wrap on my experience to date. I hope some of this information helps in setting up your channel and adapting your channel to the standards needed to be on top. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you can smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe. And any comments or suggestions, please leave them below. And until next time, thanks.